She ook mhìos yn diac trangahead of iawn bo chwala sin bo Hannah Rankin trí seascad. Han bogsair inis da títal na cruinne chosin sin class super welterweight.
It's been crazy actually the last 18 months. I fought up at middleweight again on the against Savannah Marshall for the fight there. And then I dropped back down to welterweight, and I was out in South Africa fighting at welterweight, so I dropped down 2 weight classes, and I was going to stay at welterweight. And then I met Dennis Thompson and the team, and they said to me, "Oh, we think we've got an opportunity for you to fight for the WBA 154, so that's super welterweight." And I thought, you know what, that's a fantastic weight class, and I'm very happy. It was a great opportunity, so I took it, and I fought at Tottenham Hotspur Stadium in November last year, became world champion with the WBA and IBO again. So yeah, it's been a crazy time, but I've been working really hard, and all of that's starting to pay off.
Awn sa chéidjin, a stay larach lorach, ri lín iarad this mhòr ticketjin. Jenny Hannah na títal in cruinne aice, a bialav in Lochland in aice hain, ag an hydro on a Glasgow.
Yeah, it was a surprise. To be honest, I was absolutely buzzing about fighting at the Braehead Arena because, obviously some great fighters, Josh Taylor, Vicky Burns, they've all fought there before. So I was thinking it'd be great to be there. And then we needed more tickets. So my team came to me and said, "Okay, Hannah, don't be too upset. It's going to be moved back 2 more weeks." And I was like, "Oh no, what's happened?" And then they're like, "No, but we're going to be fighting at the Hydro." And I was just like, this is amazing because it's a dream come true. And literally 2 weeks prior to that, I was doing the commentary with Sky Sports for the Josh Taylor fight inside the Hydro. And I said, it would be amazing to box here. The atmosphere is incredible. And lo and behold, a couple of weeks later, here I am. I'm going to be fighting at the Hydro. Such a prestigious venue for Scotland. Everybody knows about it. And, it's just so incredible. Like, we went inside after the press conference when it was announced, and I got goosebumps. I was looking around the venue and I was thinking, this is where I'm going to be headlining. And it's a little bit of history for Scotland because we have never had a female headline there. So very proud to be representing the ladies at the top of the bill. So yeah, really excited. Do you know what? For me, all I've been thinking about is my arm getting raised and hearing "and still." "And still" is the most important thing to me. I'm really excited about putting on a show for everybody and to defend my titles at home in front of a home crowd. It always gives you that little extra buzz. Scottish fans are the best fans in the world, and I know I'm totally biased saying it, but they really are, and they're all going to turn up and make some noise. So yeah, it's going to be a fantastic experience.
Ha Rankin yn ochus gyn cwydych yn sabach at stri cyn eiche yn Doris Osglwg, do boranich is Clinian and ALBA, gys box of iachin.
It's so important for me. I think that's something that, as a female fighter, I want to be remembered for, hopefully opening the way up there for the younger girls coming through. I want to see that they've got this opportunity. Like, one of the my important hashtags that I use is "see her, be her." And it's so important for young girls looking up to me to think, actually, one day that could be me. And I could be up there headlining at the Hydro in Scotland at home. So it's really important. And I know there's a lot of little eyes on me on fight night. There's lots of young girls coming to see me box. So, it's a very big part of what I do. And hopefully going to inspire some more girls into the sport and see that they can do what I'm doing now.
Ha Hannah chain cho fatte out an unja cho garage. I is aji hi hain, guvele urnen darf unja lorag gus kundes a horse in a cholani.
Yes, actually, myself and my coach were thinking about it the other day, and it's crazy to think where we've come from. I started right at the bottom, just doing it for fitness, and then some white collar fights. Now 16 professional fights later, I'm a double world champion. I'm representing women's boxing at the Hydro in Glasgow, and it's just incredible. It's kind of like, when you think about it, it's just a real sort of bit of a Cinderella story, but I'm very happy, and it just shows that hard work and a great team around you can really, put you where you want to be, and you can follow your dreams.
In Draste gaan Hannah a Kate Shacket Jen and Tichtelaike. Ach, ma heidje hula kaal mar a han doel, han taumri chak a Kate glay huller or son a boxer a las.
So obviously, when my hand is raised May 13th, there's lots of exciting fights in the super welterweight division. It seems to be the division where everything is just really hotting up at the moment. You've got Natasha Jonas, who's just joined the division with the WBO. That's definitely a unification fight that I would like. You've got Marie-Eve Duquesne. She's now going to be boxing against Cecilia Brackhouse. So that's an exciting fight as well. So there's lots of avenues and routes that we can go down. But there's lots of fun things to be looked at. But I'll leave that up to my team, and I'm just going to focus on May the 13th. I am super excited about May the 13th. And if you haven't got a ticket, please get your ticket off Ticketmaster. Come and join us. It's going to be an epic night of Scottish boxing. There's a full undercard of Scottish fighters. So it's going to be super exciting. So yeah, come along. And if you can't come along, tune into Fight Zone, because it's going to be there live on Fight Zone for everyone to watch.